Hi everyone, it's Sorkin. Today we have a problem when we need to find the length of the last word in a string. So for example, let's say that we have an example 1 where the string is the weather is rainy. So in this case we need to return the length of the word rainy. The next one is the example 2, which is that the hello world, and in this case we have a space here, we have a space after the world, and we need to return the size of the world, which is 5, for example. So how are we going to solve this problem? The way we are going to solve it is we are creating two variables, size, the size that we are returning, which means that the size of the last word, and the start. We are starting from the end of our string, and what we do is the first move that we do is we are moving pointer start backward to skip any trailing spaces. So for example, in this case we are moving start, and we are checking at each step whether until our start is more than or equal to 0, because we are moving backwards, and we are checking that if while our start is equals to trailing space, then in that case we are subtracting 1 from start. Basically we are decrementing after exiting this loop. So now we are at the last index of at the last character of our last word. So what we do is we are moving backwards until we have a space. So for example, in this case, let's say that the first while loop, right? So we are moving until the character D, and then we start to count the size of our last word. So what we do is, so we are moving backwards until we have a space. Until we have a space, and we are incrementing the size of our last word, and we are decrementing the start. So we are doing that until the start is more than until the end of our string. So let's say that in this case it's one word. In this case we are going to return the size of whole hello world, right? So because for us it's a one word, it's a one last word. So we are decrementing start until the start is more than or equal to 0, and we are returning the size. The time complexity of this solution is of n, because we are going over our string in the worst case scenario once, and the space complexity is constant because we are not using any extra space. I have also identical solution in Java. I will include that in the description. That's it for today. Hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.